Welcome to yoga practice including sun salutations, Surya Namaskar A and Surya Namaskar B. Moving through the different asanas, this practice is perfect to do at any time of the day to help you feel more grounded, powerful and focused from inside out. So if you are ready to get started, grab your mat and let's begin. Vande Gurunam Shananarvinde Sandarshita Swatma Sukhavabodhe Nishrevase Jangali Mane Samsara Hala Hala Moha Shantye Abahu Purushakaram Shankhchakrasi Dharinam Surya Namaskar A. Ekam inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve exhale, fold forward. Trini inhale, hida, pull back the shoulders. Chatvari, jump back. Pancha inhale, press down the shoulders. Shat exhale, 5 breaths here. Gazing towards the navel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shabd inhale, hida. Ashtav exhale, fold forward. Nava inhale, hands up, look where the thumbs meet. Come back to Samasthiti. Repeat it one more time. Ekam inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve exhale, fold forward. Trini inhale, hida, pull back the shoulders. Chatvari, jump back. Panch inhale, press down the shoulders. Sat exhale, 5 breaths here, gazing towards the navel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shabd inhale, hida. Ashtav exhale, fold forward. Nava inhale, hands up, look where the thumbs meet. Come back to Samasthiti. Surya Namaskar B. Ekam inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve exhale, fold forward. Trini inhale, hida, pull back the shoulders. Chatvari, jump back. Pancha inhale. Shat exhale, Adho Svanasana. Sapt step the right leg forward, look where the thumbs meet. Ashtav exhale down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava inhale. Dasa exhale. Ekadasha, step the left leg forward, look where the thumbs meet. Dwadasha, exhale down. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. 5 breaths here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, inhale. Shodasha, exhale. Saptadasha, sit into the hips. Look where the thumbs meet. Come back to Samasthiti. Repeat it one more time. Ekam, inhale. Look where the thumbs meet. Dve, exhale, fold forward. Trini, inhale, hita. Pull back the shoulders. Chatvari, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Shapt, step the right leg forward. Look where the thumbs meet. Ashtav, exhale down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekdasha, step the left leg forward. Look where the thumbs meet. Dwadasha, exhale down. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. 5 breaths here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, inhale. Shodasha, exhale. Saptadasha, sit into the hips. Look where the thumbs meet. Come back to Samasthiti. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. Namaste.